Hey, it's Jack Keck here, and today me, Black and Yellowbird would like to thank you. Because one, I got a new subscriber. Thanks to him or her. I think it might be a her, but I'm not sure. And yesterday, thanks for commenting on my videos so much. And that goes to all subscribers. Especially Habsburg. So I don't know what to say. Thank you very much, everyone. Every one of my subscribers. We thank you very, very much. So anyway, that's all I have to say. I just want to thank you guys. We just want to thank you guys. Yeah. By the way, there's going to be a Black and Yellow Christmas special. So, see us in the Christmas special next month. See you later. Out.